welcome back to NS Academy. Today's topic is gravitation. What is a gravitation? Gravitation is nothing but very simple concept. It is not much more difficult. It is very simple to you because the gravitation, it is depend upon nature. At the same time, it will depend upon numericals. See here, what is a gravitation? Any body, when we thrown like this, it will come down. Why? Because earth pulls down. This is called a gravitational force. Any object in the universe, it pulls down. That invisible force, it is not visible to our eyes. This is the gravitational force. What is a gravitation? Any objects in the universe, it attract each other. This is called this invisible force is called a gravitation. So here, what is the universal law of gravitation? What is the universal law of gravitation? See here, universal law. Gravitation, it is universal. So what is the universal law of gravitation? For example, suppose we have two objects M1, M2. It is separated by a distance of r. We have two objects here M1, M2. It's separated by the distance r. So the invisible force, that is equal to the, always that force, it is push, pull or push. It is called a force. Based on the force, F is equal. It is directly proportional to the product of their masses. It is directly proportional to the product of their masses. M1, M2 means what? The gravitational force, it is proportionally the product of their masses. What do you mean by proportional? What do you mean by proportional? Means when force is increases. See here, the left side it is increased, this side also, right side also will increase. The left side should be decreased, the right side also should be decreased. This is the relationship between the proportionality symbol. So this is the first one. And the universal force, the gravitational force, it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Inversely proportional to the square of the distance. What do you mean by inversely proportional here? Because here, when F increases, R should be decreased. When F decreases, R should be increased. This is the relationship between the inversal proportional. Proportional means here F proportional means when F increases, this also increases. M1, M2 also increase. When F decreases, M1, M2 also decrease. That is the proportionality symbol. Inversely proportional is nothing but here F increases, R will be down. When F will be decreased, R will raise. So this is the relationship between these two. So here, when clubbing these two, F is proportional to the M1, M2 by R square. Look at here carefully. F is directly proportional to the M1, M2. Here, F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Yes, F is directly proportional to the M1, M2. F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So here, when we are removing the proportionality symbol, F is equal to, we have some constant that is called